breaking news coming in. It's Amit Shah who's slamming Congress over Manishankar Aiyar's remark. He's saying that Aiyar is now scaring India over Pakistan's nukes. Congress will not talk about integrating POK, but Congress will go ahead and praise Pakistan, and it will also threaten India with Pakistan's atom bombs. This is what Home Minister Amit Shah has said. Listen in.
आज मणिशंकर अय्यर हमें धमकी दे रहे हैं, देश को धमकी दे रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान को सम्मान दीजिए, उनके पास एटॉमिक बॉम्ब है। कुछ दिन पहले फारूक अब्दुल्ला इंडी अलायंस के नेता कहते हैं कि पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर की बात मत करिए, पाकिस्तान के पास एटॉमिक बॉम्ब है। मैं कांग्रेस पार्टी और इंडी अलायंस वालों को कहना चाहता हूं, पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर भारत का है, इसको कोई नहीं छीन सकता, भारत से कोई नहीं छीन सकता। भाइयों बहनों, ये पाकिस्तान के पास से पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर लाने की जगह कांग्रेस पार्टी एटम बॉम्ब की बात कर भारत की जनता को डरा रही।
And Niyamika is joining us live on this broadcast. Niyamika, what's happening in the Congress party? First, it's Sam Pitroda, one after the other making those controversial comments, with a slew of Congress leaders having to come out and always saying that we distance ourselves. Now it's Manishankar Aiyar, who seems to be repeating and parroting his pro-Pak line. It was Manishankar Aiyar in 2014, his Chaiwala comment. We saw that the blowback of that in the 2014 elections. After that, his comment, Neech Aadmi. Then we also heard him in the past go to Pakistan and tell the Pakistanis that help us, remove Prime Minister Modi. And now this. What's happening in the Congress?
Well, in fact, the Congress party is also understanding this point that both Sam Pitroda as well as Manishankar Aiyar are going to make an impact on the Congress party's performance, and that's the reason. On one side, we have seen that how the Congress party had already clarified its stand on Manishankar Aiyar, as Congress party has dissociated itself from the statement which has been given by Manishankar Aiyar, and that's what the Congress senior leaders are also saying. They have said that we cannot endorse such kind of statement which is being mentioned by Manishankar Aiyar regarding Pakistan, but the manner in which the BJP is raking up this entire issue now, it is the Home Minister who has attacked the Congress party, who has slammed the Congress party by saying that instead of talking about the integration of POK into India, they are saying that they are trying to threaten the people of this country by mentioning that that Pakistan is having atom bombs, and that's what is being said by Home Minister Amit Shah. However, on the other side, the Congress party has already made a tweet. They had that we do not endorse any such kind of statement. However, they have also attacked the BJP by saying that they are raking up this entire issue so that the attention can be diverted from the issues which are being raised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which he is making controversial statement. But that cannot be enough for the Congress party, because this is a statement which is being given by one of the very senior leaders of the Congress party. However, the Congress is saying that
for now it seems like there are leaders of the Congress party who are tasked with the role of only distancing themselves. In the case of Sam Pitroda, he submitted his resignation. The Congress refused to act. In the case of Manishankar Aiyar, the Congress party goes on to say we distance ourselves, but we also have certain views about Prime Minister Modi's muscular policy vis-a-vis Pakistan. From Ravi Shankar Aiyar to Rajiv Chandrasekhar to Giriraj Singh, listen into how top leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are slamming the Congress over Manishankar Aiyar's latest howler.
जिनको दिल में डर है वो ऐसी बात करते हैं। 370 समाप्त हो गया ना, क्या था कि तूफान खड़ा हो जाएगा, आग लग जाए, कुछ हुआ क्या? डरने वाले डरा करें, नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार भारत के हित में काम करती रहेगी।
Criticizing Modi government atomic power and also muscular policies against Pakistan. How do you see this?
That the Congress party in its core ideology is an apologist and a defender of Pakistan. I don't have to tell you, Sam Pitroda brushed away the threats of terrorism from Pakistan by saying terrorism happens. I don't have to tell you how Pakistan's politicians are openly supporting Rahul Gandhi during the 2024 election. Tried to distract the attention of people by calling it an RSS conspiracy. there is a long-standing pattern starting from the top of the Congress party to the bottommost, where they constantly try and defend and are official apologists for the Pakistan government. The Congress party will day in and day out abuse our leader, our Prime Minister.
राहुल गांधी, कांग्रेस, मणिशंकर अय्यर पाकिस्तान की भाषा बोल रहे हैं। हम यही कहेंगे, दोगली नीति कांग्रेस छोड़े। हिंदुस्तान इतनी ताकतवर है कि कोई आंख दिखाएगा तो पाकिस्तान भूगोल में दिखाई नहीं देगा। ये फारूक अब्दुल्ला की भाषा बोल रहे हैं, ये पाकिस्तान की भाषा बोल रहे हैं। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी पाकिस्तान की भाषा बोलता है, आतंकवादी की भाषा बोलता है।
कांग्रेस ने हमेशा भारत की सुरक्षा के साथ हमेशा कॉम्प्रोमाइज किया है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने, प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने राष्ट्र हित को सर्वोपरि रखा है। राष्ट्र प्रथम, सदैव प्रथम के प्रिंसिपल पे भारतीय जनता पार्टी, प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी काम करते हैं। दुश्मन को दुश्मन की भाषा में जवाब देना वो प्रिंसिपल होना चाहिए। बिल्कुल उसी बात पे स्पष्ट है।
ये कांग्रेस का खौफ, ये डर या फिर पाकिस्तान प्रेम, ये बार बार खुलकर आता है। और कांग्रेस के नेता रहते तो हिंदुस्तान में हैं, दिल पाकिस्तान में है, और डराने का काम हिंदुस्तान को करते हैं। अरे पाकिस्तान की क्या हिम्मत कि हिंदुस्तान की तरफ आंख उठाकर भी देखे। भारत मुंह तोड़ जवाब देना जानता है, दिया भी है, बार बार दिया है। इसलिए तो पाकिस्तान का हाथ कांग्रेस के साथ दिखता है।
Now, the Congress has distanced itself from Manishankar Ayyar's remarks, with Congress Chief Kharge and Pawan Khera saying so in as many words, upholding the party's history vis-a-vis Pakistan and counter-accusing the Bharatiya Janata Party of scripting a conspiracy. Sandeep Dixit is also calling it a ridiculous statement. Listen in.
जो श्याम पित्रोदा जी की बात है, हम तो उनको उस काम से निकाल दिए। मुद्दों से वो खुद ही राजीनामा दिए, तो हमने उसका स्वीकार किया। दूसरा जो है, मणिशंकर जी वो अपना बात रखे हैं, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान से तो 100 गुना मजबूत है। देश के लिए हम सब मिलके रहेंगे, और इस देश के, पाकिस्तान के जो 2 भाग हो गए, करने वाले कौन? इंदिरा गांधी जी ने की। अब मोदी किस ढंग से इस्तेमाल करता? क्या सिर्फ गाय बछड़े भैंस इसी में लड़ता? मालूम
कब का बयान है? भाई
पुराना बयान निकाला है, लेकिन आज आएगा।
नहीं, कब का है? तो हम उसकी चर्चा अभी क्यों कर रहे हैं? ये चुनाव कहाँ है? भारत में है, पाकिस्तान में है? तो हम पाकिस्तान की चर्चा क्यों कर रहे हैं? अगर चुनाव ठीक ढंग से होगा तो 200 से ज्यादा नहीं मिलेंगे। अगर गड़बड़ करेंगे तो भगवान जाने क्या कर सकते हैं।
भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस श्री मणिशंकर अय्यर की कुछ पुरानी टिप्पणियां, जिनको आज भाजपा पुनर्जीवित कर रही है, उन टिप्पणियों से भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस अपने आप को अलग मानती है और उनसे पूरी तरह से असहमत है। हम समझते हैं कि भाजपा क्यों इस तरह से पुरानी टिप्पणियों को पुनर्जीवित कर रही है, क्योंकि श्री नरेंद्र मोदी की जो दैनिक गलतियां हैं प्रचार में और जो उनका डगमगाता प्रचार है, उससे भाजपा देश का ध्यान हटाना चाहती है। ये षड्यंत्र पूरा देश अच्छी तरह से समझता है।
I think it's a ridiculous statement, but he's not an office bearer of the party. He doesn't articulate Congress party policies. So I think it should be taken to be the statement of an individual. But in any case, what is this issue of giving respect to Pakistan? What is Pakistan all about? Pakistan is a state that has given terrorism to this world, especially its activities against India. It's not a state that is worthy of respect, and people in this country know that whenever elections come, the Prime Minister will always pick up the bogey of Hindu Muslims and Pakistan and Congress. There's nothing new in that.
Now, the damage may already be done. However, politicians aside, there are prominent veterans and retired police officials. They've also taken Manishankar Ayyar and Congress to the task. Listen to what they are saying.
Let me very frankly comment one thing. People like Mr. Manishankar Ayyar are disgrace to the nation. They are traitors. He is a new Jaichand. his love for Pakistan is born out of appeasement policy. It's the same Manishankar Aiyar who had gone to Pakistan and requested Pakistan Army and ISI that you help me to remove Modi ji from the chair of Prime Minister. What quality of nuclear bombs they have got? They have got Diwali like crackers.
And it's time for us to slip into a short break here on Times Now. Stay with us as we'll get you the other top stories of the day.